It is common for kids to have earwax buildup. In order to remove earwax, a syringe with an ear adapter can be used. Ear tip is made of soft rubber and has exit vents to allow water and earwax to come out when flushing into the ear canal. The ear tip can also be removed for easy cleaning. Lukewarm water is first drawn up into the syringe. When the syringe is depressed, a tri-stream flow of water is directed towards the ear canal wall. In order to use, gently insert the tip into the ear canal and then flush. If there is any pain or dizziness, stop immediately and see your doctor. For kids who quickly build up wax, ear flushing with this syringe can be performed on a weekly basis.